The water crisis is a huge problem all over our world today. It's an issue that affects people everywhere, but most especially people of poverty in continents like Asia and Africa. The lack of clean water in these countries cause people to become very sick because of the diseases they get from drinking dirty water. Waterborne diseases such as cholera make it difficult for people to survive because they're unable to work and provide for themselves due to their poor health. Because clean water is hard to come by in these places, food is often scarce. Farmers are not able to irrigate their crops properly, which affects the production of food as a whole. Another aspect of the water crisis is the freshwater crisis, which is the issue that hits closest to home. Since 1950, the world's population has quadrupled in just under 70 years' time. We are currently using 54% of the available supply of freshwater. If we continue on this path, we'll be using over 70% of the available freshwater supply for our whole entire world by the year of 2050. One of the big issues we're facing is that we're making water that could potentially be reused unusable due to inefficient irrigation practices and an increase in pollution. In the United States alone, the demand for water continues to grow, while our other water sources are being severely depleted. The greatest source of fresh water is groundwater, which is constantly being taken out of aquifers faster than it's being replenished. The freshwater crisis is also causing many essential lakes and rivers to be overspent. People are dependent on rivers such as the Colorado River for irrigation, tourism, and hydroelectric power. The question that now remains is, how can you make a difference? The first and most important step you can take to solving the water crisis is by spreading awareness. You can also start practicing the preservation of water by choosing to use refillable water bottles instead of plastics. Another step you can take to limit your water waste is by taking shorter showers and turning off the sink while you wash your hands or while you brush your teeth. While the water crisis is a very real and ongoing problem, it is extremely important to start taking the steps you can to save water today so we can keep our earth clean, healthy, and beautiful.